Sino si Miss Donato rito?
Pakitanggal na ng ma'am ng ano. Please proceed, ma'am.
Ito ang unang tanong natin. Natandaan ko at tandang-tanda ng lahat ng Cagayano na nood that time nung sumagot ka sa tanong na ikaw, nung last hearing, unlimited ang banded mo. Tama ba?
Opo.
Unlimited ba talaga ang banded mo? Kasi nandirito sa akin
Hindi po.
ang resulta at ibinigay ng Department of the Treasury kung sino yung mga banded at kung sino yung hindi mga banded.
Opo, ma'am.
Anong opo? Hindi po. Ikaw ba ay banded o hindi?
Yung una, banded po ako, and then hindi nila ako sinabihan na nag-expire na yung aking band.
Totoo ba yan? Dapat alam mo kung kailan ka na-expire ang band mo. Withdraw ka ng withdraw, cash advance ka ng cash advance, hindi mo alam?
Anyway, ma'am baby, you want to ask something? Please proceed.
Mr. Man, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo, no, ang tagal-tagal na nitong hearing na ito, paikot-ikot tayo. Lahat tayo Cagayano rito, tinutulungan tayo ng mga kaibigan natin, ng mga representante ng ibang-ibang distrito, and yet, alam niyo, wala pa rin resulta na malinaw para sa Cagayano, para sa probinsya ng Cagayan, ang mga ginagawa natin na hearing dito. Hopefully, ngayong araw nito, and hopefully, sa mga darating nating mga hearings, makakaroon na ng linaw. At kayo mga narandirito ngayon, ng mga department heads, nakikita nyo ba yung mga reaction nyo? Nakikita nyo ba yung mga paraan ng inyong mga pagsasagot? Para lang makalusot kayo. Bakit hindi kayo magsabi ng totoo? Patatagalin pa ba natin ito? Mr. Chairman, ang tanong ko ay kay Miss Donato. Hopefully, Miss Donato, magsabi ka ng totoo, sumagot ka ng totoo.
Is Miss Donato around? Please take your seat.
Sino si Miss Donato rito?
Pakitanggal na ng ma'am ng ano. Please proceed, ma'am.
Ito ang unang tanong natin. Natandaan ko at tandang-tanda ng lahat ng Cagayano na nood that time nung sumagot ka sa tanong na ikaw, nung last hearing, unlimited ang banded mo. Tama ba?
Opo.
Unlimited ba talaga ang banded mo? Kasi nandirito sa akin
Hindi po.
ang resulta at ibinigay ng Department of the Treasury kung sino yung mga banded at kung sino yung hindi mga banded.
Opo, ma'am.
Anong opo? Hindi po. Ikaw ba ay banded o hindi?
Yung una, banded po ako, and then hindi nila ako sinabihan na nag-expire na yung aking band.
Totoo ba yan? Dapat alam mo kung kailan ka na-expire ang band mo. Withdraw ka ng withdraw, cash advance ka ng cash advance, hindi mo alam? Tapos dito ang lakas-lakas ng loob mo magsinungaling?
Hindi naman po ako nagsisinungaling.
Hindi ba?
Hindi po, ma'am.
Eh yung sagot mo, banded ka, pero dito hindi ka banded.
Yung una na pag-release ng mga ma'am, banded ako. Pero
Ano yun?
I was not informed na expired na pala ang band ko.
When was that? That you're banded? When was that?
Nung 2021, sir. And then, ang Treasury ang nagkuha na sa akin yung band ko ng 2022.
Okay, ang sunod na tanong,
Yes, ma'am.
Miss Donato. Ayon sa COA report na isinumitin ng COA Region 2, nagkas-advance ka ng 2 beses, April 28, 2022 at isang beses ng May 1, 2022 na nakakahalaga ng 26,996,000, 9,313 at 31,000 pesos. Paano ka nagkas-advance ng ganito kung hindi ka banded? Hindi ka pa rin in-inform na hindi ka banded? Huwag
Yes,
ka
ma'am.
magsinungaling.
Hindi, ma'am. Yun ang totoo. Hindi naman na inala ako in-inform na expired na yung akin po.
So sino may problema? Dahil hindi kayo informed, sino may problema? Binigyan ka ng authority to be a special disbursement officer on that time. Expire na pala. Sinong nagbigay siya ng authority?
Ang finance, sir.
Finance. Sinong finance?
Ang Treasury kasi binigyan nila ako ng cash advance.
Pinapaikot mo kami sa mga sagot mo eh. Napaghahalatang nagsisinungaling ka. Okay, last question. Kasi 30 minutes na lang tayo. Nag-cash advance ka rin noong May 1, 2022. Hindi ba holiday ito? May pasok ba ang land bank pag holiday?
Wala.
Oh, paano ka nag-cash advance?
Hindi naman na ipalit yung kung sa maalala ko, ma'am,
Yes,
doon
please.
sa sa sunod na cheque, hindi naman ipinalit ka agad, ma'am. Yun ang date na nilagay nila dun sa cheque.
Hindi ko maintindihan.
Yun-
Ulitin mo yung paliwanag mo.
Yung date po doon sa cheque, Sunday po yon.
Yes.
Oo. Hindi po pwedeng maipalit ng Sunday. So hindi Sunday na naipalit yung cheque na sunod na nakas-advance ko po.
Anyway, ma'am, head ka ng DSWD,
Ng
Province?
PS Province, sir.
yeah, province.
Yeah.
Anong salary grade mo?
Salary grade 26, sir.
The same sa kay Miss Perlita.
Yes, sir.
Diretsong pagkatanong.
Yes, sir.
And I hope you answer me
Yeah.
truthfully and direct din. Now, nagkas-advance ka ng 26 million,
Yes, sir.
notwithstanding na wala kang
Ban.
ban. Now, maximum mo na ban is only what?
5
5
million.
million. So, hindi unlimited?
Hindi.
Hindi. Anyway, so 26 million. Diretso pagkatanong. Do
Yes,
you have
sir.
the capacity to pay just in case yung
No, sir.
75%?
No, sir.
So, nag-risk kayo ha.
Mr. Chair,
Kahit lang, with the indulgence of Kong Lara. Kasi ganito lang yun kasimple, ma'am.
Sir.
Dapat man ito makuha.
Ma'am, alam mo,
Sabi mo kay
pagkuha mo ng pagkas-advance mo ng first check, which is how much?
26 million.
26 million. Pag nawala yun sa'yo, kahit hold the pin, kahit kung ano man mangyari, pananagutan mo yun. And with that amount, inamin mo na rin hindi mo kaya, ba't ka pumayag? Same as with Miss Perlita, same as with Miss Mungkad. Bakit kayo pumayag? Ma'am, because what? You're doing it for the past several years and decade.
Mr. Chair.
Anong
Dapat-
no?
Okay,
Excuse me.
okay, Mr. Chair.
Anong hindi? So, anong reason? Ba't ka pumayag? With that amount? Alam mo ba yung responsibility mo, just in case, na yung 75% babayaran mo?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Ba't ka pumayag? Wala ka naman pala capacity to pay, just in case. Is this the first time?
Yeah.
Nga nagkas-advance ka ng 26 million?
Yes, sir.
Previously, magkano?
Wala. First time ko yun, sir. 26 million.
First time mo, sabi mo, nag-expire yung bond mo.
Oo, pero wala kaming mga cash advances kasi na ganun kalalaki, sir. Wala.
Sa previously, hindi ka naging
Hindi, sir.
Swiss.
Wala.
Yeah. Pero ang sabi niya nga, hindi daw sinabi sa kanya na expire na yung bond.
Co-chair, if I may.
Please proceed.
Ms. Donato, who ordered you to make that cash advance? Yan, diretso na lang.
Oo.
Who?
Meron akong memo kasi, sir, na as disbursement officer.
Who gave that order nga?
Governor, sir.
Governor.
Yeah.
And it was your first time to do that,
Yes, sir.
to make a cash advance and make the disbursements.
Although it's my responsibility kasi as head of the agency,
Why?
yun ang kwan ko din, sir, isa sa responsibility.
Bakit na-expire na? Yung responsibility mo as head of office, you said.
Hindi, yun sa cash advance lang.
Sa cash advance.
Fidelity bond lang po.
Okay, so you were directed by the governor to make that cash advance and to be one of the disbursing officers for 26 million. All right. Thank you, Co-Chair.
Thank you. Anyway, hindi pa tayo tapos, ma'am, but as of now, okay na tayo. Anyway, babalik pa naman kayo. Yes, last na lang, Congressman Lara.
yes, Mr. Chair, in the interest of time, the 3 o'clock na hindi na rin ako masyadong magtanong dito. Itatanong, hanapan ko na lang, yung status ng bakit wala si Dr. Cortina dito, si former Provincial Administrator Sacramed, Natividad, no, nag-retire na ito, at saka si Giren. Nandito ba? Okay. Sige, sa next hearing na lang to. Si Natividad, nandito ba? Yung Natividad, Mr. Chair, yung tatlo, Mr. Chair, can I move na isapuin na lang itong tatlo? Para, kasi we've issued the necessary invitation.
For the information of Congressman Lara, there is an excuse letter coming from Mr. Natividad.
Miss Natividad, sir.
Miss
Yeah, Chairman.
Natividad.
Yeah.
In which hindi ko pa nga nabasa. Pero may excuse letter medical.
Ay, okay,
reason.
Mr. Chair.
So, tingnan na natin on the next
Dr.
hearing.
Cortina.
He should be present in the next hearing.
Of course, the retired provincial health officer, Dr. Cortina, Mr. Chair.
COMSEC is directed to invite all of them
And the
And
former
this will be the
PA.
last, and this will be the last warning to them to be present in the next hearing, or else
sa Puna.
subpoena o diretso
Contempt.
contempt kasi
Yeah.
napakalinya
Tama,
nga
tama.
natin dito. So, Comsec? Yes.
Yes, ito pa Mr. Chair. Yung pinag-uusapan natin mula kanina is cash advance lang ng April 26 to May 9. Tatanong ko lang yung mga cash advances ng March 25 to April 25. Na-submit na ba ito? COA?
Yes, Your Honor. We
Nasubmit
submitted. Yes, Your Honor. Yung data, Your Honor. We submitted it, Your Honor.
If I may ask, magkano ang mga cash advances nung March 25 to April?
Your Honor, the
26.
total amount, Your Honor, is 112,050,640 pesos, and it was cash advanced by 13 accountable officers, Your Honor.
13.
Opo, Your Honor. 13, 13, Your Honor.
1-3. This note, Mr. Chair, kasi hindi pa natin napag-usapan itong cash advances, no? Nagdedwell tayo dun sa last 2-minute na withdrawal nila. Meron pa. And of course, I manifested previous hearings yung mga withdrawal nila from January, no? January to 2022 to ano. And of course, kunin ko na yung pagkakataon, Mr. Chair, nandito yung mga taga land bank yata. But then again, I will request for the presence of also of the different depository banks if there is. Lalong-lalo na I've been informed na ang DBP ay isang depository bank din ng province at nagkaroon din sila ng withdrawal during the 45-day period. Ito, gusto kong malaman anong naging movement ng account dito considering na kinonfirm naman ni Vice Governor Melvin Boy Vargas na lahat nito ay walang kaakibat na appropriation. And of course, on what authority na naman na winidraw ito, Mr. Chair, no? Kasi iklaro lang natin habang nandito ang mga taga-land bank ngayon kung anong status nung pinapatanong natin sa kanila, no? And if ever gusto ko din malaman yung naibalik na sinasabi ng COA ngayon, saan pumasok ito, no? So tignan natin, no? We can only confirm that of course doon saan nila nilagay yung mga perang yan. At ito nakaalis na yung bombo, Mr. Chair. I-confirm ko sana sa BIR kung meron na i-declare na na taxes paid itong mga binayaran ng provincial government, no? So yun Mr. Chair, if possible po yung sa bangko, yung cash advances po na ikaklaro lang natin. Of course, for the next hearing na lang po, I will reserve my questions for the next hearing.
Thank you for that. All those individuals, persons, and agency concerned that was mentioned by Kong Lara, please prepare on the next hearing. Now, I would just like to inform everyone that I have now the medical certificate of Maria Ada Natividad, no? Pero this was June 3 to 8, 2023. He was admitted in the hospital for pain control. So to those resource persons na kilala si Ms. Natividad, please inform her to be present in the next hearing.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
yung sa land bank, may question kasi kung magpe-present sila na this hearing. Klaro lang natin kung ano nang nila status nun, kung are they prepared or are they allowed or whatever it is.
Land Bank, please answer the query of
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair and the
Please
members
proceed.
of the committee. As of now, we have not yet received the reply of the OGCC, but they committed to provide us reply early next week.
So OGCC committed to Land Bank to reply next week.
Yes, Your Honor.
So we will give you 2 weeks.
We will provide you immediately once we have the
Oh,
resolution.
Kasi sabi mo next week.
Yes,
So
sir.
you should provide a week after
Okay.
upon receipt of that reply coming from OGC.
Yes.
Okay,
Mr.
so
Chair.
we'll give you 2 weeks.
Yes,
2 weeks
Mr.
time.
Chair. Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Chair,
Yes.
if I may, to save the committee, no, na antayin pa natin sasagot, baka mamaya negative yung sagot sa next hearing. That's the reason na may pinupush ko yung fraud audit. Kasi again, ito, kung under fraud audit ito, Mr. Chair, as per banggit sa akin ng Land Bank noon, pwede na silang mag-disclose kung ano yung dapat i-disclose. So, yun Mr. Chair, yun ang pagkakaiba ng regular audit at saka sa fraud audit. Kaya ako pinupush ngayon
Anyway, Kong Lara, to cut you short. Anyway, we have already directed the COA to conduct a fraud audit.
Yeah, so it's not a problem anymore with Land Bank, Mr. Chair.
No,
And of
no,
course,
no.
DBB.
No, of course we need to for Land Bank to present their presentation in the next hearing. But of course we don't want, kasi alam mo, yung OGCC, though I'm not a lawyer, there's several cases din na may problema din yung legal opinion ng OGCC, if you remember. If you remember the sugar order number 3 in which may legal opinion sila na tingin namin mali. That's why I hope the opinion of OGCC hindi na umabot na pati OGCC patawag natin dito to question the legal opinion of the agency for the Land Bank. And of course, let's see what will be the legal opinion of OGCC 2 weeks after, ma'am. Thank you. Any more,
Thank
Kong
you.
Lara?
That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you very much. Apo.
Motion to suspend, Mr. Chair, this committee hearing.
There's a motion to suspend the committee hearing. Duly seconded. In objection, the chair is none. The motion is carried. Hearing suspended.